ladies' man.
No, it's not normal.
He's not home yet.
You are so sweet. You are so sweet. Yes, you can stay with us. You can stay with us.
So will you stay up all night with me?
Yes, right. Maybe he'll sleep real good tonight.
I'm thinking
You know that he might be
At
tired.
least a good long stretch.
Yeah.
Yes, oh,
Got it.
you sweet baby Byway.
Oh,
You sweet
look at
baby
this.
Byway.
Hey,
There you go.
can you open that compartment?
Oh, you're wet. You're wet, maybe, was it?
Hey, be sure don't let that hit your belt buckle.
I don't have a belt buckle. I don't wear belts.
Okay. Good. Good. That scratches up guitars.
Oh, he don't wear belts. Can't you tell?
You in?
You tell him. You tell him, Margaret.
I would sit there good.
Huh? Okay, we'll give it back to Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby.
Over here.
I'm video taping right
Yeah,
now.
see? I told you.
So we'll just take it off, Tommy. Do something. And set it up in that chair. Here, right here.
You're glad.
You know how many megabytes this is going to be when I'm done?
Hey, man.
It's going to be 6,000 megabytes.
I never used to miss a chance. Climb upon his knee. Listen to his many tales. Life upon the sea.
He's watching Tommy.
We go sailing down on Martin. Talk of things he did. Life was just a day away for the captain and the kid.
Look at this. Look at this. This is going to go so good.
Life had gone from sailing ships,
Come here, Kim.
breaking mom's backyard.
Come look at him.
He's in
Never
awe.
could adjust to them, though he tried so hard. Both were growing older then,
So sweet.
wiser with our years. Then I came to understand the heart still stands.
Grab it. Really sweet.
He died about a month ago. Winter filled the air. Though I cried, I was so proud. Love a man so rare. Somewhere on the ocean now, the place he ought to be. One hand on the starboard rail, waving back at me. Never used to miss a chance.
What's he doing?
Climb upon his knee, listen to his many tales. Life upon the sea. Go sailing out on Barkentine. Talk of things he did. But life was just a day away for the captain and this kid.
Helen.
The captain and this kid.
That was beautiful. Oh, that little sweet angel.
Oh man, I got a grin out of that.
Oh,
I got a grin out of that.
You got a lot more than that.
Tell him.
Take his eyes off you.
Tell him.
You want one?
Tell him.
Do I own one?
Yeah.
You a Longhorn.